Not too long ago, I did an install of the Lexland TRD Pro Grille on my 2025 4Runner. And when I did that, I ran into an issue with the camera bracket. The only way that the camera bracket would fit was upside down. That obviously caused my camera to face toward the sky, which was very, very annoying. I did find a fix. And that's what this update is for. If you're thinking about getting the Lexland Pro Grille or just the stock TRD Pro Grille, then you need this fix. So the issue that I ran into when I did this was that the camera bracket, which is right behind this, would only fit upside down. And Rave Off-Road sells a little 3D printed bracket for the camera, and when you put that in, then it allows the camera to sit properly. You need that for the OEM TRD Pro Grille and the Lexland Grille as well. Now, the Lexland Grille down here had the exact same issue. The camera bracket back here would only seat upside down. And the Rave Off-Road bracket fixes that. It allows the camera to sit forward. You might have noticed this in this video. I swapped my grill for the OEM TRD Pro Grille. The Lexland Grille is down here. Took that off and I purchased and put on the TRD Pro Grille. Some of the differences between these two are the Lexland Grille down here. The Toyota is attached to this, like this plastic piece. And then on the back of the grill, it's screwed down with this little metal bracket. And that's what holds it in place. I just wasn't a big fan of that in particular. And on the OEM TRD Pro Grille, as you can see, the letters are integrated into the grill, and they're much more stout. If you'd consider subscribing, I'd really appreciate it. Something like 95% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. I'm getting my feet on the ground with this YouTube thing, and I appreciate those of you that are checking out my content. So one of the other big differences is that the OEM grill is gloss black. It's not matte black, it's a gloss black. And then on the Lexland Grille, this one is a matte black. So that's entirely a matter of preference for you, but for myself, the TRD Pro Grille, the OEM grill, really matches, I think it really matches the gloss black from the lower valance really well. And I have the TRD Sport Premium, so mine is a gloss black down here. The only thing that I'm not super concerned about is this is still the Lexland lower grill, and that's a matte black. Now, if you are looking to do this swap, if you want to put a Pro Grille on your non-Pro 4Runner, then what I would recommend is basically you have two options. If you're looking for an affordable option, then I would say go with the Lexland Grille, because this guy is $240, but you get the upper grill and you also get the lower grill, which includes this light bar. And it also comes with marker lights that you can put in the grill if you're into that look. I personally am not, but it does come with those as well. For an affordable option, that's really your best way to go. Now, if you're looking for more of that OEM look, then you could go through Rave Off-Road is what I would recommend doing. They have quite a few different kits for the Pro Grille. You don't have to get the TRD Pro version like I did. You could also get the Trail Hunter version. And on the Trail Hunter version, I believe this is a matte black, and then the letters are bronze, I believe. So that could be an option for you as well. But the Rave Off-Road kit includes several options for light bars, but the whole cost of the Rave Off-Road kit for everything is way more than 240 bucks. If you want to do what I did, I mean, you could certainly do that. I got the Lexland grill, and then I paid for and installed the OEM upper grill, and that cost, the upper grill cost me 240 bucks. So that could be an option. But then you also have the light bar from Lexland. If this is something that you're thinking about doing, feel free to use my code at Lexland. Just put in Slate River when you check out, and you'll get, I believe it's 20% off of your order. No matter what, you need to get the camera bracket from Rave Off-Road to relocate the camera. Now, if you don't want to relocate the camera up to the upper bracket, you can leave it on the lower part of your grill and just not swap out the lower part. I've seen quite a few people do that. So you just leave the lower part stock, and then you just swap out the upper part. And that's certainly an affordable option as well. Hey, let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see me do a particular video or an install of a certain product. I've got several plans for the channel moving forward. It's all going to be 4Runner related content. But if there's something in particular that you'd like to see, just let me know. There was one gentleman that reached out to me about doing an how-to video for wiring up the light bar, and that's why I put that video out. So if there's something you're looking for, or you want to try this grill swap and you need help once you get started, feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help you guys through this process. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.